Alright guys, welcome. Today is a special day. It's an iPhone day. Today is the day where we get to unbox the brand new Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright guys, so usually I like to film myself showing you guys like kind of my reactions to it, but I mean you guys can already tell I'm excited for this, so we're gonna try to do kind of like a top-down shot. So we're gonna switch the angle to show you guys kind of the unboxing experience. All right guys, so like I said, here we have the phone. Let's unbox it. One quick thing to know is if you guys see, the box is actually really small this year, and the reason for that is because they no longer include a power brick on this, which is kind of a bummer if you really think about it, simply because you're already paying over $1,000 for this phone. Like, obviously it would have been nice if they just included that little accessory, but you know, Apple has its reasons, I guess. Let's move that out of the way. So yeah, here we have it looks kind of from afar away, you would think this looks kind of like the gray. It kind of looks like the space gray from far away, but wow, 6.7 inches. Let me tell you, like, you can actually feel the difference. And let's see what else we have in the box. We'll put that to the side for now. And you also get the USB-C to Lightning cable. So yeah, that's a good, I think I'm pretty sure it came in the last iPhone as well. The paperwork with the SIM eject tool if you get the SIM free one, and your Apple stickers. And that's it for the box. No headphones, no power brick, still the same price. Just keep that in mind. So let's move all this stuff aside and let's talk about this. Let's go ahead and power it on. So let's go ahead and I'll take care of this and we'll be right back. So yeah guys, so first impressions is holding this phone. I'm still downloading all my apps. Holding this phone, you can honestly feel, even since it's only 0.2 of a difference, because last year's was 6.5, this year's 6.7, but believe it or not, you can really tell a difference. I really like, this reminds me kind of the iPhone 5, 5S type of days, you know. The cameras, I'm gonna show you guys my 11 Pro to compare. If you guys look closely right here, you can see that the camera modules, sensors, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, they're a little bit bigger on the new one than the old one. You guys can see closely right there. So that's a big difference. Obviously the new design, round versus squared. Also kind of like how it feels on the hand, it's not like a huge difference, but you can definitely see. And also with a bigger display, you'll notice the notch is a lot smaller. That's probably not the best right here. You can see the notch is a little bit more smaller than if you were to use it on this one right here, just so slightly. I mean, it's little things, but you can definitely notice them. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the silver one so you guys can take a look at that one, and we're gonna go back to the regular setup. Alright guys, so that was for the Pacific Blue. Now I'm gonna show you guys the silver, just to show you kind of my reactions on how they look, even though I already unboxed one. So here we have the silver. This is actually Elizabeth's phone. I get to unbox her phone every year. It's pretty cool. Oh wow, the silver actually looks nice. This is the silver. I gotta say, I think this kind of looks kind of like the 11 Pro type of silver, because I'm pretty sure the material didn't really change from, it's only the structure of it. But oh, with the new design, so with the new design, it makes it look a lot nicer. It makes it feel a lot more premium kind of. So let's go ahead and remove this. Power it on. So this is what the Pacific blue and the silver looks like. All right. So yeah, obviously, like I said, guys, you can feel, even though it's only 0.2, you can honestly feel the difference when holding the phone. So something to keep in mind, if you're not a big phone person, I would recommend you go with the regular 12 Pro than this one, because like for example, my parents, they hate big phones, but I like big phones. And so when I hand them mine, my dad says that it's like a tablet. So yeah guys, so that's pretty much what the silver one looks like, the Pacific blue. And now for the third phone we have is the gold one. Believe it or not, I was hesitant about getting the gold one. This is actually my brother's phone. So thanks to Franklin for letting me unbox this for him. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So here we have the gold one. Good. Let's remove this. Let's move this to the side. So I have to say that if you look at the gold and the silver, they kind of look alike, kind of. From afar, you probably wouldn't really be able to tell that they're two different phones unless you look at the stainless steel on the sides. Obviously, this one is gold and this one is silver. It's regular stainless steel. But other than that, I mean, I think the gold, I think the rings on the camera and then the stainless steel around it really gives it that like pop out look. So good choice, Franklin. The silver one, I like the silver one. I really like how the silver looks, but if I have to be honest, the one I really like out of all of these is the new Pacific blue. It's just a new color. Apple hasn't really like done this type of material blue. I'm honestly just waiting for them to drop a product red iPhone 12 Pro Max or on the next generation. They always do it for the lower ones. I don't know why, but they don't do it for the upper ones. So obviously the biggest new feature is, okay, the 6.7-inch display, and we have it has a bigger battery, but the cameras, if you watch the keynote, they spend a lot of time on the camera. It has a whole new sensor. It has a new IBIS for video. But I just want to take a quick picture of like one of the boxes and kind of see like what it looks like. You know, is it a massive improvement? We're gonna find out. I have to say, you know, when it comes to photography, the iPhone never disappoints, neither does the video capabilities of this. Now I'm gonna take a selfie, which I haven't done in a long time. So by the way, if I look white, because I have lights here and I have a light there and then I have a backlight, so yeah, just keep that in mind. This is a lot of pressure. For those of you who don't know, if you're not 100% like confident taking a selfie, you can always take a side tilt one and it'll make everything look better. I'm gonna take one like this. And I also don't smile in my pictures. So I have to say, it actually looks really sharp. I'm not gonna lie, comparing them to I took a lot of pictures with my old phone, with my 11 Pro Max, but this looks a lot sharper. Yeah, I honestly like it. You'll be able to see the camera modules are a lot bigger. They have a whole new system integrated into this. So now the real question is, should you upgrade from your 11 Pro Max? Me personally, unless you're looking for a bigger screen or the new design, yes, you should definitely upgrade, because the camera system compared from one year to the next, always, for some reason, that's Apple's main focus. But if other than that, and if you're really going to be using 5G, because these are now 5G compatible, I mean, I'll shoot side by side so you guys can see, but that'll be really up to you. I personally, I love Apple products, as you guys know. So I'm obviously gonna say, yeah, go upgrade your phone, but not everybody has that opportunity. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much the unboxing for this. I'm gonna shoot a couple of shots to show you guys really how they look. So yeah, we're gonna shoot a lot of video with this stuff. We're gonna really test the camera. I'm gonna use this for a week and give you guys a full-on review. So make sure to subscribe, like, and let us know if you have any more questions. Peace.